to change the air filter on your Arctic Cat Prowler. So there's a little latch right here. You take and you pull it up. The next thing you've got, let me turn on my light real quick. You've got your air box right here, and it's got 4 clips on it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take and undo this clip, and this clip, this clip, and this clip, and then you can pull the top of the air box off. You can move it to the side, whichever side is more convenient for you to do. And then you've got these little tops of the screws. Undo these, set it aside, undo this one. Once it's off, set it aside. Then you can pull this out, pull this off, put it to the side. Here's the old one, here's my new one. You can see the difference in the color. Move this over. Put your new one on, just like that. Fit it down in there. Put your metal piece back on top. And then just screw everything back down. And once you've screwed it back down, put your air box in, put your clamps back on. If you have any questions, let me know.